followed by co-captain Sourashishra Ghosh and vice captain Nirabno Mondol and Kandokar Das. Also marching our prefects Stotro Saha, Atrish Noshkar, Orunima Sagunto, Shopshok Sardar, Oyon Sardar, Devojyoti Ghosh, Sharona Roy Chaudhuri, Monami Mondol, Somaryo Haldar, Krishanjit Pradhan, Kritija Chatterjee, Abhirup Noshkar, Ankor Sardar, Tuhin Chakui, Dipayan Noshkar, Aparup Noshkar, Shoibal Mondol, Mama Ikram Khan, Mandita Das, Purnita Noshkar, Shatok Mondol, Tabasum Sen, Shuhan Ahmed, Soharto Ghosh, Shahid Aman Lashkar, Somati Bishwas, Molipana Paul, Arantika Ghosh, Srija Devnath, Ruprekha Das, Somona Noshkar, Karki Bagh, Yash Tiwari, Toshari Shakur, Ashmita Chakraborty, Junaid Rahman, Tapoksha Gurkai, Meghni Chakraborty, Anup Samanto and Shweta Akhtar.